Hello folks, welcome to Riding the Market. Here at the end of the day, I've taken all my trades now. Just going to go through them briefly. So we pushed into the low of day here in the London session and then pushed out of it with a nice double bullish fair value gap. This one is a really small one. You probably can't see it here, but it did exist. It was a really small one. So in my eyes, it's valid. We'd also already used this bearish fair value gap and gone lower. So in my view, it was already mitigated and we shouldn't have been going lower from it again. So I was fairly happy to take longs from here. Price was fairly congested for a while, but I did notice that we were rejecting out of this double bullish fair value gap. And once we double bottomed from there, formed this nice candle, I just entered at the close of this candle with the stop at this low and just rode it for a 1-to-1. Really nice trade, really easy to take, and yeah, just waiting for the breakout of this consolidation period, which lasted probably around half an hour, and that candle gave enough, just showed me enough that there was perhaps some strength that would come in soon, and yeah, it hit my take profit pretty quickly after that. In terms of my second move of the day, fairly stupid move, freely admit that. So price had come up, and we've got VWAP resting at this level, and it's just rejecting it now. And I thought because we hadn't actually mitigated this IFEG, we hadn't tapped into it once closing above it, I thought I could just fire a order here with a stop at this low. I think it was 125 ticks, and yeah, look for a 1-to-1. It was a silly trade. There was also some liquidity at around the 260 level, which is what I should have noted, and just realized that price was probably going to that level after rejecting VWAP. That this was just a retracement, and price was going to go lower. But yeah, that's not what I did. So fairly frustrating trade, silly trade to take. And then the last trade of the day, it was just I was looking for a double top at the high of the session, but it just didn't work out. We had this IFEG, which we'd rejected a few times. I thought, okay, fine, it looks too weak to continue higher, so I'll take a sell there. And instead, it was just coming back for optimum entry at the start of the session to hit the take profit. I should always be aware that if take profit for a real trade, like a good setup hasn't occurred, I should always be looking to get on that rather than going against it, despite what I see at the start of the session. If it hasn't played out and it's giving me a good entry, I should just be jumping on board with it, but that's not what I did in this occasion. So yeah, frustrated with some of my trading today, but I'll go away, and I think I am getting slightly better with my executions, but I still do have some fairly bad days and fairly bad ideas and trades sometimes. So it's a bit of an incremental process for me. But yeah, that's all for me today. Down $370, which isn't that bad, and currently down $200 odd on my account on my eval. So no, it's just staying at break even. Nothing really happening with that. But yeah, looking to push it forward at some point. Maybe I'll change the strategy a bit at the end of this, in the next week. But I'm still debating all the changes that I want to make. But that's all for me in this one, and I hope you had a good day. Mine was really frustrating today, but I'll call it here and see you tomorrow. Bye.